Hello everyone, today I want to introduce my creation food. Today I want to create the instant noodle sandwich. So now I'm introduce our inside. We will put the cabbage stick and this is a tuna can, and this is the cheese and the tooth and instant noodle. So now I will show you the step. The first I will put a tooth on the toaster, and second I will put a fish on the tooth, on the bread. And the second step is put a cabbage. Not too much. And the first step is the cheese. And the last step is put the instant noodle on the cheese. And the last is put a tooth on the sandwich. And now I just need to press this sandwich, and the sandwich will success. So now please wait. Now the sandwich is okay. So now let us to see the sandwich. Dun dun. The instant noodle sandwich is look like this. And then so now I will show you the inside the sandwich. Okay, this is the sandwich inside. There have cabbage, vegetable, and instant noodle, and cheese, and fish. The meat is tuna. Thank you very much. Bye bye.